thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hawkins County, Jefferson County, northwestern Cobb County, west central Greene County, east central Granger County, Hamilton County, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dandridge, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morristown, Jefferson City, Dandridge, Bean Station, White Pine, New Market, Bainbury, Russellville, Mosheim, and Bulls Gap. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 412 and 426. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Listen to the concrete.
This is NOAA Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, simulcasting from both Sharps Ridge in Knoxville on WXK 46 and on WN.